Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Nick Gray from Fanduit, and we are doing a camera test with an all-new Pixel 4. We're at the launch event, and the device so far seems to be working really well. This is using the front-facing camera. Unfortunately, this year there is no secondary front-facing camera with that wide-angle view that we had on the Pixel 3, which I personally enjoyed a lot. But we're going to give you a quick look at what the camera can do as far as taking pictures and recording video. So check this out. And here we're taking a look at the rear cameras and what they can do. There are two sensors on the back that's standard, and then a 2x telephoto for recording video and taking pictures. If we double tap on the screen here, we can zoom in. But that sensor for taking pictures with that 2x zoom, they're actually using computational photography for their zoom capabilities, which means you can zoom in a lot closer when taking pictures, and the image actually turns out better than if you were simply to crop the image. From what we can see here, the image quality as far as video recording goes is really good. From what we can see on the display itself, it might translate a little bit different for the video file at the end, but it does have optical image stabilization and electronic image stabilization built in, so that when you're walking around like this, you don't get a whole lot of camera shake.
That you just put the key when you start. Yeah.
Oh, I'll just wait till they get their shots and then I'll get a few.
Alright, who are we missing?
Another look at the video quality here from the Pixel 4. Seems to do really well with going from bright to darker areas without blowing out the scene, which is really nice. Something that the previous Pixel 3 did struggle with just a little bit. So that's going to do it for our camera. So that's going to do it for a quick look at the camera quality from the Google Pixel 4 at the launch event today. Let me know what you think of the image quality and the video quality in the comments below, and if you think Google stepped up its game this year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.